This is a circular saw. I'm going to show all the ones I have bought. This is my first one. Remember this guy very well. I have a little Craftsman attachment to it. I'll show you later. Remember using this, and it's pretty unique. It's a Skil saw, classic. It says model 5275. It's got ball bearings output, whatever that is. It looks like I had a cross cut blade here. I don't know if it's going to work. I haven't used this in, I can't remember, early 80s. My first one. Looks like I did a lot of cutting here, but pretty neat. There's a little plastic for the guard. You can see the hole there. It comes with the key. It's got the key here. Not the key, but this is the guide that you can put on the side. I'm going to be doing a lot of blowing. A lot of stinky bugs are out like crazy today, and for some reason I'm getting a lot of mosquitoes this year, so they're out there. You can see that is the height of your blade. One thing I noticed, the little button, looks like you have to press that so you can pull the trigger. Kind of a safety thing. That's pretty neat. And it does say 5275 circular saw, and it's 7 1/4. This here, can't remember what it was. It looks like it's oh, what does it do here? Oh, I thought it was kind of a blade break or something, but it's not. Wow, I can lift the guard 2 different ways. I never knew that. I can lift the guard this way, you usually do, or I put you on the side here, or this, or here. You can see that. It's pretty neat to kind of start the cut, I guess. Huh, that's a good one. I saw it and I didn't know what it was. What's on this side here? Another thing it has is, let me see if I can point you here, is not a lot of saws have them. Where's my finger? This gets over here. It's got you can move this so you know where your blade is at. So when you cut, you've got an adjustment, which a lot of the saws nowadays don't have that. They just have the openings for you, and that's it. Here you can adjust it somehow. And when you do the 45 cut, it will be over here. This here, of course, brings you to the 45 setting if you want. And here's the little gadget. While I have it, this, I remember getting this Craftsman. I'm a Craftsman I tell you, they got so many things from Craftsman, Sears. Most of my tools, bought a lot of stuff back in the day from them. Socket wrenches, everything. This one here is a, I think if I had a number here for it there. I guess it doesn't have a number. Yeah, it does. 3903774. Well, that's the patent number, so. Well, what it does is, I guess I was a beginner, and I don't know if I had problems cutting straight or something, but this guy rides. You can cut straight with this, and we're going to put this into play. Got little ball bearings there, so the saw kind of rides. We'll put that into play. First, we're going to see if it works. Let's see. Plug this in. I figured what I'll. I know it has nothing to do with the saw, but because I'm using it, I'm going to have to show this. And this here is a drop light, and this is an oldie. This goes way back in the day, and it says here, Skil Manufacturing Company, and they're from Indiana, and they are hard to find. You can't find these out there. This is the old type. Yep, it's working, and it has an outlet here. I figured I'd mention that. The ones that they have now, they are really cheapy looking. Anyway, we got it plugged in. Now, I have a dog with me, so I don't know what the dog is going to do. Let's see if we can make a little cut. First of all, let's see if it works. It still works. Go like this, put it right here, and just go. Let me get this out of here. Okay. Actually, here's the wrong blade for this. This is cross cut. It's not for plywood, I guess. And maybe I think it needs sharpening too. Anyway, I wish I had a square just to see if this thing is really, if it did cut perpendicular, because that's how this thing works. I think I used it for 2x4s. I must have been a horrible cutter, I guess, back then in the day. Some people do have problems cutting straight, even if it's a 2x4 with a saw. I remember my uncle, he never used one, he used a jigsaw. It was funny, but he never used a saw, he used a jigsaw to cut 2x4s. So that's it, not much to really say about this. I've had it with me, still working. I should have cut a 2x4 somewhere. There you go, little piece of 2x6. I don't know what happened. Just gonna go through. Let me adjust the height for a minute. Here we go. Didn't go deep enough and very crooked. Anyway, I need a lot of practice with this thing. It's been a long time, but I figure I'd show this guy. Get this out of here. Show it this way. Skil saw, classic, the model 5275, 05, from way back in the day. Thanks for watching.